Hi viewers, in this video lecture, I want to narrate the way drama made its inroads into England. The historical reason for drama coming into England was this. Christianity was new, Christianity was making inroads into England, but most of the English in those days were uneducated. So these evangelists thought of drama as a convenient medium to drive Christianity into minds and hearts of the people. They started enacting dramas occasionally, and rather than performing all these dramas at one place, they used to make use of wagons where each of the scenes will be enacted one after another. One wagon would pause, and the next wagon enacting the next scene would come to where the spectators are standing. So spectators will be static whereas wagons will be changing. That was the process in which dramas were played in those days. These are the subjects on which dramas were written in those days. First was mystery plays. The first type of drama that came into England was a mystery play. Mystery plays are those plays which are based on biblical themes. The life and times of Jesus Christ, how he came into the world, how he sacrificed his life for the salvation of the humankind. All these were the subject matters of mystery plays. This was a ploy that they employed to attract the masses towards Christianity. Next was miracle plays. Miracle plays are based on the lives of saints. We have quite a number of saints in Christianity: Saint Mark, Saint Joseph, and Saint Augustine, and quite a number of other saints are there. And all these saints have proved that they have miraculous powers during their lifetime and even afterwards. So, certain plays were written detailing miracles shown by these great saints. So, different saints have different miraculous powers, like treating the blind or some other miracle through which they demonstrated that they were not ordinary beings. Next type of drama was morality plays. So, in morality plays, we have abstract things as characters. Some 5 or 6 characters will be there, but these characters, rather than being round characters having an individuality to themselves, would be just standing for some abstract thing or the other. So, in most morality plays, the hero is either everyman or Christian. The hero of a morality play is a character called Everyman or Christian. So, this Everyman and Christian stand for almost every one of us. Like I said just now, the hero of a morality play is almost always Everyman or Christian. These plays depict how this everyman or Christian take birth, how they grow up, how they get influenced by different abstract things like Vanity Fair, despondency, hope, good deeds, bad deeds, all these things. The hero is Everyman or Christian. Other characters are good deeds, bad deeds, Vanity Fair, the city of despondency, death, almost all these things. So in this particular play, we get to see how only good deeds accompanies every man or Christian when he meets death. So almost all these plays, whether miracles, mysteries, or moralities, they were all enacted on open ads near the churches on select holy days. Since all these dramas are invariably related to the religious themes, they were enacted on select days in churchyards or at least on the way to the church so that the people might get attracted to this kind of drama and slowly find their way to the church. So, this particular video traces the development of drama, the historical need for drama. The historical need was propagation of Christianity. And since most of them were unlettered, the propagators, that is, evangelists, thought of drama as a convenient medium to propagate Christianity in England. Thank you for watching.